Latin can invoke feelings of mystery and magic, like the nonsense formula hocus pocus. The fanciful and similarly magical word abracadabra is first attested in a Roman medical text, the Liber Medicinalis, by Quintus Serenus Simonicus. To cure a fever, he writes, write down the nonsense word abracadabra on a piece of paper, then take away one letter until you get down to just a single letter at the bottom of the triangle. Then take this piece of paper and wear it around your neck, perhaps in an amulet. The idea possibly being that the fever will disappear in the same way as the word itself does. No one knows where Simonicus got abracadabra. Maybe it's from Hebrew or Aramaic, or the mystical and equally mysterious Greek word abraxas. You can also see the first four letters of the Greek and Roman alphabets in abracadabra. The letter C comes from the Greek gamma. This reflects the magic of something so mundane and, well, powerful as alphabetical order.